Okay, so today is an ArtSnacks unboxing. This is actually the So Flat paint from Golden, and today we're going to be checking out what comes in this box. It's my first ArtSnacks box, and I got it specifically for these special So Flat acrylic paints by Golden Paints that are brand new, and they are matte paints. All right, so as you can see, this is pretty cool. We'll look at this stuff first. So we've got some nice wood panels here, and I really enjoy painting on wood panels. So I'm excited to check these out. We've got a 6x6 and an 8x8 wood panel. All right, so actually we'll move these out of the shot here. And I am excited to open this up. So we have this nice Ziploc to keep everything safe and sound. This nice card that defines what's in this pack as well as a value. This is an exclusive first look at these paints from Golden, and that is why I had to have this. I really love matte paints, and I love their paints, but sometimes they are more glossy than I want, and I'm excited to try these. All right. So we've got some Princeton mixed media brushes here, a flat, a round, and an angle shader. Really nice. We got some candy, which is always great. And a super cool vinyl sticker. This is a good quality sticker too. All right, let's see what we get for paint. I'm really excited to have the turquoise. You still have that. And Payne's gray. Awesome. So this is what comes in the kit. And let's see. Maybe we should test out one of these to see how they fare. One thing I see here that they have specially curated colors for this particular pack, so make note of that. I'm going to test this out on some watercolor scrap paper here I have. These are nice and sealed until you're ready to use them. We'll just use what's on the lid here. I love golden color paints. The one thing I do find is that sometimes they are glossy, a little too glossy, and I can't kind of see what I'm painting sometimes depending on my lighting situation. And so I'm excited about these paints because I think they could be a game changer. And of course, if these are all interchangeable with the rest of their golden paints, which they are, you know, it can make a difference, I think, even if you have an existing supply. All right, so we're going to let that guy dry. Curious about this Payne's gray, so we'll take a look at it too. Beautiful. It's very dark, like a black, but not a black. As you can see, I've diluted this a little bit with water and it's still drying. I think we can do one more here. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is our Naples Yellow Deep. Let's water down maybe a little. You can hear my kitty Horlo in the background. She doesn't like to miss out. So these paints, you can see my yellow is still drying a little bit, but you can see just how matte they are. Super duper matte. Beautiful colors as always, very consistent with their quality. And I think I'm really going to enjoy these paints. Great opportunity to play around, and I can't wait to get to painting. So if you're interested, check out So Flat Golden Matte Acrylics.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more of my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.